Hello friends, Somya this side. Welcome to my channel. My channel is all about DIY and crafts. I always love to do DIY and crafts. So today we make a tower box. So without any further, let's get started. We basically need these things to create a tower box: designer paper, sheets, pearl, feathers, scissors, fevicol, or any decorative materials, or a sheet, a colorful sheet, or a black sheet, or as per your choice. You need to follow steps as shown in the video. This is how some basic tower box shown in a video. Now we making the boxes which is attached to that basic tower box. Similarly, we have to make 4 box to attach in tower box as shown in the video. Now you have to connect all the ends of the boxes. Connect these boxes with fevicol. Now place sheets, designer sheets on the area which is blank, or any other material you can use to decorate the tower box. This is how tower box shows. Now we have to do same in the back side of the tower box. Attach some designer sheets in the back of the tower box. This is how our tower box looks after pasting designer sheets or colorful paper on it. Now it's time to attach that boxes from tower box. We'll have some finishing on them also to make it colorful, bright and creative. After decorating that boxes, attach it to the tower box. Now time to write some good wishes for whom you ready this gift. Write these quotes before attaching the box so you can write easily. Now it's time to attach some pictures to make it more creative and beautiful. You can use any stickers for make it more beautiful. Now attach more 3 boxes and now it look like that. You can also put pictures in that boxes as I am doing. You can add pearls, feathers or any decorative material, whatever you want to make it more creative. You can add more creation in it. I am doing it by adding pearls and feathers in it. As you can see, I also add some message letters in this box. For this, I cut 4 small pieces of paper and write codes or messages in it and fold it and tie it with a thread or a rope. You can put each message in every box, and it looks like this. Now we had to prepare its box, which closes the tower box that is on the top of the box. It's similarly made like the boxes inside the tower box. Same process of making this box. This closes the tower box and finishes the look. So attach some papers, designer papers, to make it beautiful, like I am doing. Now attach its corners. This is how it closed the tower box. Now tie a thread, jute, or rope or anything to make it complete. And this is how a tower box looks like. So thank you for watching and lots of love. Subscribe my channel for more creative ideas and DIYs. These are my social media links. Thank you for watching. Love you all.